In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check in Microsoft Word. Spell check is a helpful feature in most cases, but sometimes it can be more of a distraction than a benefit, especially when you're working with technical text, coding snippets, foreign languages, or any content where Word's automatic corrections and red underlines get in the way. Fortunately, Word makes it easy to turn off both automatic spelling and grammar checking, so you can focus entirely on your writing without visual interruptions. To begin, open the Word document in which you want to disable spell check. Click on the File tab located in the upper left corner of the screen, and then select Options. This will open the Word Options dialog box, which contains a variety of settings to customize your Word experience. From the menu on the left, click Proofing. Here, you'll find all the options related to spelling and grammar. Within the Proofing section, look for the area labeled When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word. You'll see checkboxes for Check Spelling as you type and Mark Grammar Errors as you type. Simply uncheck both of these boxes. Doing this will immediately stop Word from underlining misspelled words in red and grammatical errors in blue or green while you are typing, giving you a clean and distraction-free workspace. If you want to go a step further and disable spell check completely for a specific document or selected text, scroll down in the Proofing section and click the button labeled Exceptions For. From the drop-down menu, choose the current document. Then, check the boxes for Hide Spelling Errors in this document only and Hide Grammar Errors in this document only. Click OK to apply these settings. This ensures that no spelling or grammar errors will be highlighted for that particular file, while other documents remain unaffected. After making these changes, click OK again in the main Word Options window to save your settings. From this point forward, Word will no longer highlight misspelled words or grammar issues as you type. You can always re-enable these features later by returning to the Proofing menu and checking the boxes again. Disabling spell check can be particularly useful when working on technical writing, creative projects, or any specialized content where Word's automatic corrections might interfere with your formatting or terminology. By following these steps, you can maintain full control over your document and work without distractions from spell check or grammar highlights. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.